we are going to make a bird with our handprints. You're gonna need 2 different color construction papers, a marker, paintbrush, scissors, glue, paint, and a little bit of this detergent. Add a little bit of detergent on the paint and mix it up really well. First, we're gonna draw a circle and an oval. I'm gonna cut them out. Okay, now we're gonna glue the circle and the oval on the construction paper. Okay, to make the wings, we're gonna paint our hands. Make me tickle. There are the wings. Now we're gonna draw some feather on the back. The eyes and the beak. Look, you have a bird.